Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the input lag on your Xbox One using your controller. Now, there could be a couple different issues. It could be your screen or your monitor, or it could be the controller itself. So we want to go up to Settings, go to Devices, Connections, and then go to Controller and Headsets. Now, select your controller under this screen. So let's go to the three little dots. Then go to No update available. If there is an update available, make sure you update your controller. This could be the reason why it is being slow and unresponsive. Now, another thing that you could try is resetting your controller and resyncing it back to your Xbox One. So hold down the sync button on the top of the controller and just keep holding this down until it vibrates twice. And then it's going to turn off and you'll have to reconnect it to your Xbox One. And reconnecting it is very easy. All you have to do is hold down the sync button. At the same time, you hold down the sync button on your Xbox One. So hold this button down. So I'm going to hold this button down on the controller and then hold the button down on the Xbox One itself. And hold it down for about 5 seconds and then we can let go. And when we let go, they should both sync up now. So you can see it's blinking at the same time, and now it is solid and it's now connected. Now to reduce the input lag on your screen, let's back out to the main settings menu and then go to General, go to the right, go to TV and Display. Now under here we want to go to Advanced Video Modes, then choose Allow Auto Low Latency Mode. This lets games switch your TV into auto low latency mode, also called game mode. So this should reduce the input lag on your Xbox One by forcing it to have game mode turned on. Otherwise, you can go through your TV settings and you can look for a specific game mode setting under here as well. So we can go to Picture, and then we can go to like Picture Mode and make sure it's selected Game. This is on the Fire TV. You might have to go through your different TV settings and figure out how to turn on game mode. Could be called something different, could be auto low latency mode. But just check mark right here and you should be good to go, and you'll notice a huge improvement. Now a lot of these TV screens, you're going to notice a lot more input lag. But if you are playing on like a smaller computer monitor or something like that, those typically have a lot less. And you want to look for the response time on the TV specifically. So some of these TVs could have like 140 milliseconds for response time, whereas like a computer monitor could have like 2 or 3 or maybe even 1 millisecond. So this is going to be far more responsive for your gaming. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.